Reading and learning. Let's start. Hello, we will read 3 stories today. After reading each story, we will answer 5 questions about it. I read first and you repeat. Let's go. Tom's pet. Tom has a new pet. It is a small brown puppy. The puppy likes to run and jump. Tom gives it food and water every day. Tom loves his puppy very much. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Let us answer the following. Number 1. What pet does Tom have? What pet does Tom have? A cat. B. A puppy. C. A bird. B. A puppy. Number 2. What color is the puppy? What color is the puppy? A. White. B. Brown. C. Black. B. Brown. Number 3. What does the puppy like to do? What does the puppy like to do? A. Run and jump. B. Sleep and eat. C. Sing and dance. A. Run and jump. Number 4. What does Tom give his puppy every day? What does Tom give his puppy every day? A. Toys and food. B. Food and water. C. Clothes and toys. B. Food and water. Number 5. How does Tom feel about his puppy? How does Tom feel about his puppy? A. He loves it. B. He is afraid of it. C. He does not like it. A. He loves it. Good job. Let us go to the next story. Lina's cat. Lina has a cat. Its name is Snow. Snow is white and soft. It likes to sit by the window and watch the birds. Lina pets Snow and gives it milk. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Let us answer the following. Number 1. What pet does Lina have? What pet does Lina have? A. A dog. B. A cat. C. A rabbit. B. A cat. Number 2. What is the cat's name? What is the cat's name? A. Snow. B. Milk. C. White. A. Snow. Number 3. What color is snow? What color is snow? A. Black. B. Brown. C. White. C. White. Number 4. Where does snow like to sit? Where does snow like to sit? A. By the window. B. On the bed. C. In the garden. A. By the window. Number 5. What does Lina give to Snow? What does Lina give to Snow? A. Fish. B. Milk. C. Water. B. Milk. Good job. Let us go to the next story. Sam's fish. Sam has a fish. The fish is orange and small. It swims around in a glass bowl. Sam gives the fish food every morning. He likes to watch it swim. Now it's your turn to read. Are you ready? Please read. Let us answer the following. Number 1. What pet does Sam have? What pet does Sam have? A dog. B, a fish. C, a bird. B, a fish. Number 2. What color is the fish? What color is the fish? A, blue. B, green. C, orange. C, orange. Number 3. Where does the fish live? Where does the fish live? A, in a box. B, in a glass bowl. C, in the garden. B, in a glass bowl. Number 4. When does Sam feed his fish? When does Sam feed his fish? A, at night. B, in the morning. C, in the afternoon. B, in the morning. Number 5. What does Sam like to do? What does Sam like to do? A, watch the fish swim. B, take the fish for a walk. C, play ball with the fish. A, watch the fish swim. Good job! See you in the next lesson.